Hey YouTube, it's Cousin Curly, and today I'm going to show you guys how I get my big fro into a nice top knot using some products that I'm enjoying from Aunt Jackie's Coconut Crème Recipes collection. So I'm going to start off with my buttercream. It's an intensive moisture sealant leave-in conditioner. It's enriched with coconut and castor oil. It's also a blend of shea butter and manoi with rosemary extract, and it's going to help protect my ends because they are damaged and they're giving me a lot of trouble. So this product worked really well in reducing my breakage from detangling. So this is my hair. Once it's dry, I'm just going to pick it out, make it a little fluffy. And originally I wanted a bang style, so here you see me taking out my bangs, but actually I didn't even wear bangs for this style. You guys are going to see how I fix this later in the video. So I'm going in with my Curl Boss Gélee, and this stuff holds my hair so well, you guys. I'm just going to use this to slick all my hair into this nice top knot bun that I'm doing today. And honestly, this is my first time doing a top knot, so you guys tell me how I did in the comment section below. I think I did a good job, but my next bun will be even better. So if you have a lot of hair, or if your hair is really thick, I recommend using these jumbo scrunchies. I found mine in Walmart. You can also find them on Amazon, and this just helps the whole breaking hair ties thing, which is very annoying. So I always use these. I hardly ever use the smaller ones. So I usually just tie a scarf around my hair and wait a while just to make sure that my hair is going to lay down all day. And remember when I said I was going to do a bang style? So right here in this clip, I kind of changed my mind, and I'm going to section off 4 little squares, and I'm just going to twist those up and make some kind of design. It looks like an X to me. You guys will see in a second, but I just thought this was something different, something cute. Looks like I actually tried to do my hair today. So here I'm just showing you guys how I created this little X design in the front of my head. This is optional, but I thought it gave my bun a little bit more pizzazz. It's quite simple to do if you look closely at what I'm doing. It looks more complicated at first look than it actually is. So now I wanted a taller top knot, so you see me fluffing and getting my shape together, and I'm going to take a small rubber band, and it's just going to give me a little bit of an extra height look. I wanted a tall top knot. After that, I just add some gold crowns to it, and that is it for this video. This is the top knot I came up with. Actually, a lot of people liked it, surprisingly, when I went out. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.